Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We got a Fridge 60 rolling out shop today, going on man Roger. And guys, the Fridge 60, one hell of a cooker we got here. Small-ish footprint, holds a lot of food. We'll open it up here, guys. The Fridge series is our model of cabinet smokers. Comes in 36, 48, 60, extra tall, extra deep. We will make it however you want it. Roger here wanted a Fridge 60. Now this is a reverse flow cooker. That is the only way we would build a fridge, is in reverse flow. Hey, it works great. Don't try and change it, works great. We got 3 removable reverse flow plates in the bottom. As you can see, you got 3 sliding trays here. They give you a lot of cook room. He did add a stainless steel front shelf, as well as a double cup holder over here on the end. It is on our off-road package. This is our base wheel and tire package. We do have upgrades available. Come around to the hot box. This is our extra large hot box. So guys, when you bump up to the Fridge 60, you also get an extra large firebox and hot box. So 5 sliding trays in here, over 2,000 square inches of cook space just in the hot box. Still the same setup. It runs completely independent from the smoke chamber. You can be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once. We'll close that up and move on to the firebox. This is our insulated firebox. As you can see, he's got his fire management cradle in there. Also, he has got a TMG torch charcoal chimney. Guys, lifetime warranty, all right? Get it on the website, we'll ship it to you. Or we throw in a sticker too. Or you buy a pit, just add one on your pit order, guys. It's that easy. $100, it's a deal. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Guys, that's about it for this Fridge 60, about to load up on a trailer, ship it down across the country. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.